Over 85% of home buyers start their house hunt online. We need to feature the best parts of your home, inside and out.
I'm having a yard sale, giving away all of the memories that used to feel like home.
Did you know that professionally staged properties spend 83% less time on the market? The goal is to help buyers see themselves living in this house and not your home. Here are 7 tips to help you make your house look like a model home, or like it's out of a Better Homes and Gardens magazine. I mean, staged. The approach from the street view to the basement storage room. What is the curb appeal? When you first walk into a room, what is the first thing that comes into view? Whatever it is, make sure it's neat and tidy. The entry. The front entry should be warm and inviting. Don't clog it up with boots and shoes. Brightness. Everybody loves natural light. Just make sure all the windows are clear and open. Furnishings. A cluttered look makes the room feel a lot smaller than it actually is. Remove any unnecessary furnishings. Store it in the garage or storage room. Remember, the buyer's trying to visualize their furniture inside the house. Make it as easy as possible to help them visualize that. The little things. Doors that don't close. Screens off the track. Cracked window panes. For top dollar, it's smart to fix these little things. Buyers notice. Storage. Maximize the size of your closets. Remove a lot of the unnecessary items and store them somewhere else.
Oh my God!
You can store them in the garage or rent a storage unit. The surroundings. Easiest way to freshen up any space is to paint.
I reckon it could use a coat of paint.
Paint the trim, paint the walls, paint the doors, take out area rugs, show off those hardwood floors. Follow these 7 staging tips and your home is ready for sale. What's the first thing that you notice in someone's house? Let me know, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Gonna paint our wagon, gonna paint it good. We ain't bragging, we're gonna coat that wood.